Hi there, this is Teacher Merce again, and for this video, we're gonna talk something about this and that. But before we talk about this, let's have first the words that we will use for the entire lesson. So you can repeat after me. Can you say the first one? A pen. Next, a chalk. And then a glue. And a pencil sharpener. A pencil. And then the last one, a bag. Okay, so now let's move on to our main topic. So let's have the first one, which is the use of this. Use this to point out a person or object that is close to you, just like our example here. You can see here a glue and then a person and then an arrow. And a person is close to the glue because as you can see, the tip of the arrow is touching the glue. So in this case, you have to say this is a glue. Just, imagine that this person is maybe holding or beside that glue. So that's why she can say this is a glue. Okay, same with our next example. A pencil sharpener, a person, and then an arrow again. So you can say this is a pencil sharpener. Okay, that's all for this. So right now, let's go to that. So use that to point out a person or object that is far from you. In our example, you can see here a pen and then a person and then the arrow again. And as you can notice, the person is really far from this pen. So in this case, you have to say that is a pen. It's like, the woman or this person is not holding the pen or is really far from this pen. So that's all. And then the next one, a chalk, and then the person and the arrow again. And same thing, the person is far from the chalk. So that's why you have to say that is a chalk. Okay, so that's all. So right now, let's move on to our activity. We actually have here two activities. So let's have the first activity. So the direction is tell whether to use this or that. So let me show you number one. There is a pen and then an arrow. So where is the arrow? Is it far or close from this pen? Can you complete the blank? What is the answer? You have 10 seconds to answer. You can start. Time's up. So the answer is that, the arrow is far from the pen. Okay, next, number two, a chalk, and then the arrow again. Can you complete this sentence? What is the answer? You have 10 seconds. Go. Time's up. And then the answer is this, because the arrow is very close to this chalk. Okay, so let's now move on to our next activity. Activity number two. Okay, so if the question is, what's this? You have to say, pen is just an example. You have to say, this is a pen. And then if the question is, what's that? So you have to say, that is a pen. So let's try to answer our activity. Let's have number one. Okay, a pencil sharpener. Where is the arrow? And then the question is, what's this? So what's your answer? You have 5 seconds to answer. Go. There you go. So the answer is, this is a pencil sharpener. Number 2, a chalk, and then the arrow again. And the question is, what's that? Your 5 seconds starts now. Time's up. So the answer is, that is a chalk. And number 3, a pencil, and then the arrow again. And the question is, what's this? You have 5 seconds. Time's up. And the answer is, this is a pencil. Next, 4, a pen, and then the arrow. And the question is, what's this? Your 5 seconds starts now. And the answer is, this is a pen. Number 5, a glue, and then the arrow again. And the question is, what's this? You can answer. Time's up. And the answer is, this is a glue. Okay, and then the last one, number 6. A bag. And then the arrow again. And the question is, what's that? You can answer now. Okay, and then the answer is, that is a bag. Okay, so that would be all for this lesson. So if you still guys, want to learn something, so you can comment down below, and I'm gonna try to have or make a video for that next time. Thank you.